back to the channel. We're doing a food review tonight, guys, a frozen food. I was in our local box store and ran across this. This is, the brand is HART. I've never even heard of the brand before, but it was set out there on an end cap, and I happened to see it, and it's chicken, or teriyaki chicken. And it's kind of like it's chicken dark meat fritters and spicy teriyaki sauce packets. And we're just gonna cook this up by the directions and see how we like it. Again, never even heard of this brand, so we're gonna give it a try. Let's get going. All right, for starters, this packet comes with 3 of these little sauce packs. We're just gonna get it in a small saucepan. Gonna heat that up separately. We'll get these others in here and we'll move on to the chicken. Hey guys, instructions says just a little oil in the pan. I ain't gonna put a lot in here. And we're just gonna come on in here with this chicken. We're gonna cook that for about 10-12 minutes. You might notice this extra pot back here. We're just doing some quick little minute rices because I think the white rice will go well with the dish. That's all we're doing. I'm only going to review the chicken, the teriyaki. Hey guys, we got some good color going on here. I'm just going to turn this down. And I'm going to take this sauce. I don't know if I can do that where you can see it or not. We're gonna find out. Ooh. We're just gonna get it coated. That's all we're gonna do. Well, I can say it looks good. Let's see how this tastes. This over here where we can serve it. Let me get Mama a plate. We'll come back and we'll do a taste test on this one. Alright guys, come in here with a little bit of this white rice. Nothing fancy. We actually use minute rice on this because we wanted it to go quick. Alright guys, come on in here with some of this teriyaki chicken. A little bit more. So I can get a little bit without. I'm just gonna scoop it up like this. We're gonna give that a try, guys. Alright, guys. The HART brand teriyaki chicken. I'm careful not to get the rice just yet. You know, I'll tell you what, for frozen food, I think that's pretty good. My wife noticed just a minute ago, me too. Had a little pineapple smell to it, which that teriyaki. I think it's pretty good. I like it. It's a little bit with the white rice. Again, we didn't go all out with the rice, it's just some minute rice. I would do that again. Yeah, I would. So yeah, guys, wow. For a quick little review, the HART brand teriyaki chicken. We did plate it up here with some white rice. With or without the rice, it is good. So yeah, guys, from the HART company, I've never even heard of that brand before. Was sitting out at our local Myers store, and so yeah, big thumbs up on the HART teriyaki chicken. Guys, thank you as always. I enjoy doing these little videos. It's so hot outside that I'm happy to be inside cooking, and even if it's just a little frozen meal like this, and I can bring you a little food review. So guys, again, thank you as always. You know, hit that subscribe button for us. Hit that bell notification, let you know every time we post a new video. And be sure to like this video, that helps us out a lot. And I forgot, I want cheers to you guys. Guys, until next time, God bless you. Bye-bye.